logic like this kind can be asked in Zoho interviews. Okay, so see the question. They are given some text like that placement training institute. This should be your input, or consider they are given any kind of texts. So ideally you should code. Okay, you should not hard code directly like this as your input and all. So question is, there is an input like this with spaces and all, and you have to get this text using a scanf from the input screen in the user. Okay, so you have to get this from the user, but you have to use the scanf. So far we have learned how to get the thing using the scanf is %s, or if it is a string like this we can use getS, but they have told you here to use a scanf. Okay, fine. And then I asked you to sort this text or this group of strings in an alphabetical order. Okay, so and then they're given some condition like if both capital and small letters of a particular alphabet are there means, so you have to put caps at first and small at last. See here, Rat Placement Training Institute, Rat R is a capital one and here small one is there. So while you put two things together, you have to put capital at first and small letter at the second. Okay, so likewise you have to sort it in an alphabetical order. So this is the question. So see, so far we have been taughting you the guys the overall logic or overall algorithm and all. So let's keep this question as a homework for you guys. So try to do this by your own. See, I have given answer over here, fine, but try to find out how this answer works. Okay, I'll just scroll this so that you can take a glimpse through of it. First it is a input where we have got that input area, and this for loop is there. No, this is where the entire logic comes, the string, the checking, sorry, the checking of it. See, this is where the entire things comes, the entire for loop. This entire for loop is where the logic is. Okay, so your task is to find it out. See, I can able to explain to you guys because this is a one I coded, but I want you guys to find out the logic. By finding out the logic only you can able to master it. Okay, and then this is the printing statement, printf string value. That's it. The logic is this part alone. See the highlighted part that I'm highlighting? No, this is the logic part. So as I already taught you guys the pen and paper approach, right? Try to use that approach over here and try to try to use that approach over here and try to find the logic. Okay, fine. Now let me okay, fine. Now let me run this program and show you guys the output. Before that, I'll just once again skim through this code. Take a notebook, write down this program and do the pen and paper analysis approach thing to find out how this program works and how this program matching this output thing. Okay, fine. Now let me run it. You see, it is asking to enter a string. I think the screen got cut here. Once again, question, that is Rat Placement Training Institute. If I run it, you see the output, all the, like, it's sorted in an alphabetical order. Capital A comes first and then small a, and then C is there, E is there, like it's sorted. And then you see capital H comes first and then capital T comes first followed by the small t. So this is how the outputs comes like. Okay, even I'll run it again and try to use some another output like hello world, this is me. I'll give some name like Rani, studying in Rat. Okay, and then I can type like this also, na? Placement training, irrespective of anything, it will sort it in a proper order. Okay, see, first capital A's and then small a's, similar way capital M, small m, capital N, small n's. If there is no capital, then you can enter small t, directly the small ones, right? See, this is how the output should has to be. Fine. So try to see, you can ask me, ma'am, the spaces now, the spaces will persist like, see here, 3 2 4 6 characters is there now, after that one space is there. So in output also 6 characters is there and 1 space is there. Similarly, two characters, 1 space. Like how many characters after 1 space we are given in the output, the same thing persists over in the output. So if you don't want, you can remove the spaces. Like after the end of the thing, you can remove the spaces, or else while converting itself, you can, if the spaces comes, neglect it, like continue like that. You can enter in the code also, that you can identify. I won't tell this thing, but you can take this as a add-on workout. Like this is the answer to the program that I have told you, but you can take this as a workout. Remove the spaces which comes in the output and just enter the characters, sorry, alphabets in an ascending order likewise. Okay, what changes that we can make in the program so that the output will come like this? Like what? Like this AADD and no space should have come. It should be triple EGG, and then space should not be there, and tree HI, like that it has to come. So what change that we can make in the program so that the output will be like this? So this is your work. You can try this work. Okay, so by trying like this only we can able to clear that interview, guys, because if I continue to spoon feed you means then you'll not able to practice, right? So that is why let's keep it like this. Some like 100 we'll keep it like this way. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if do so, kindly subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon in another interesting video.